So as I mentioned at the start of Sunday's video, October 2nd was a big day. Why? Part 2. And this was just last week. Microsoft delivers new Copilot Plus AI PC features with Windows 11 2024 second half update. It starts rolling out today, so this was a week ago today. Now that we're a few years into Microsoft's obsession with AI and its Copilot assistant, it's clearer than ever that Windows 11's role is to show off the company's AI prowess. And thanks to Engadget for this article. The Windows 11 2024 second half version update is now beginning to roll out. While the OS itself is getting a few new features, like long overdue File Explorer tweaks, Microsoft is far more eager to hype up new Copilot AI Plus PC capabilities. What are those? There's Click to Do, which triggers Copilot to assist you with whatever is on your screen. It's seemingly easy to use. Just hold the Windows button down and click your target, and Microsoft says it'll offer contextually relevant tips. You can think of Click to Do as an on-demand superpowered version of Clippy, its infamous software helper from years past. I haven't seen Clippy in a long time. Also, you'll be able to upscale pictures in the photo apps by up to 8 times their resolution. This isn't particularly new. Adobe has its own AI-powered super resolution capability, as does the popular Mac photo editing app Pixelmator, both of which my daughter who's at art school uses all the time. But at least it's helpful to have it built directly into the OS. Generative AI-based fill and erase options are also coming to Paint, allowing you to remove objects or easily create new ones. Next, Microsoft has hinted at some AI-powered search improvements in the past, and it looks like those are finally arriving with the Windows 11 2024 Have-To update. Now you can find files using your own words instead of Microsoft syntax that you had to use before. So that's much better. Finally, and of course, there's Recall, the company's debut Copilot Plus feature for retrieving anything that happens on your computer. So you can use Recall to go back to something you did months ago and find it. That should be helpful too. It was immediately criticized for lacking proper security. Microsoft immediately delayed Recall to revamp its security model. It's now making the feature completely opt-in, whereas before it was on by default. And Windows Hello biometric authentication is also now required to use Recall. If anything, Recall's rollout was a clear example of how the company was cutting corners to move quickly and be seen as an AI industry leader. Copilot will be there for you, said Mustafa Suleiman, the company's head of AI. It understands the context of your life while safeguarding your privacy, data, and security, remembering the details that are most helpful in any situation, which translating that to English means this is an elementary AI agent. And I've done separate videos on what these AI agents are that are coming, what they're going to look like, and how powerful and revolutionary they are going to be. But this is a very elementary one. Similarly, last week I did a video on Apple starting to roll out its AI agent this month, October. Security will undoubtedly be a major concern for Copilot users moving forward. Ultimately, users want to have confidence that anything happening on their computer with sensitive data caches is protected. Microsoft acknowledges that AI features enable new attacks and defenses. So there's another guy at Microsoft named Davalori. Davalori stressed that community feedback helped Microsoft make Recall more secure for users, and the company will continue listening as it carefully rolls out more AI-infused capabilities. And that's exactly the path that Apple is pursuing, gradually rolling out new capabilities, not putting them all out and having them fail. Microsoft's AI capabilities, AI Agent, will arrive via phased rollout to select devices and markets in November, so they're a month behind Apple. The Windows 11 2024 update will also have a staggered rollout starting today, which was last Wednesday, a week ago. So what else does this update have that's not AI? There's Wi-Fi 7 support, HDR backgrounds, and energy saver improvements, which are always welcome. If you want to join the Copilot Plus AI PC party, you may have to get a new computer. In fact, they say you probably will. This is in the gadget. And that's precisely what Microsoft and PC makers want. Yes, just like Apple, what they do is require you to upgrade to get these features. Apple just did it by requiring you to buy an Apple 16 Pro, at least from them. Now, Apple says that 15 Pro will have the AI features also, but they don't sell 15 Pro anymore. That's a slick trick. Why? Because the 15 Pro would have immediately gone on a discount like they always have in the past. So this is new, frankly, less consumer-friendly behavior by Apple, although you still can get the 15 Pro and Pro Max from other retailers and therefore still save money. Couple $100 probably. So 1 week, 2 big pieces of news. First, Cybertruck is rolling out their supervised FSD, and now Microsoft is starting to roll out next month, November, their Windows 11 second half 2024 update that starts to include AI features, just like Apple is doing starting this month, October, assuming you have upgraded equipment. So this is called planned obsolescence, and it did not used to be a thing in America. Back in the day, they made things in the United States of high quality that would last for years and years and years. Now, they build new features specifically to obsolete prior products and force you to buy new stuff. Again, this is not consumer-friendly corporate behavior, but it is what it is. So thanks so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Also, please support us on Patreon. We need your financial support to be able to continue to improve the quality of what we do, and also to be able to go to cutting-edge conferences where I'll be able to keep you informed of new things coming from AI that will impact you in your career, which is why I started this channel. And I am starting to get your Patreon support, so thanks very much. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great rest of the week. Take care. Bye.